Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing for a full power wash because this is the only reliable fix for persistent lag on a Chromebook. Backup Google Drive, local downloads, and Linux containers. Confirm sync completed. Once done, sign out of profiles, record Wi-Fi passwords, and list critical extensions and app licenses so you can reinstall selectively. Make sure the battery is above half charged or plug in. Finally, close all tabs and temporarily disable extensions so the reset begins from a clean state. You now perform the power wash itself, which removes user data and restores Chrome OS to factory condition. Go to Settings, open Advanced, choose Reset Settings, then Power Wash and restart. Confirm your Google account when prompted. Follow the on-screen prompts and let the device erase and reinstall the system. This removes corrupted profiles, bad extensions, and software bloat that cause lag. Do not unplug or force shutdown during the process. Once complete, the Chromebook will boot to the initial setup screen for you to sign in. You finish by restoring only what you need and optimizing settings so the device stays fast. Sign back in and selectively restore Drive and Linux files. Avoid restoring an entire profile snapshot that reintroduces problems. Reinstall essential apps one at a time and make sure to enable hardware acceleration and limit background apps. Once done, tweak sleep, update, and extension permissions. If lag persists, run Chromebook diagnostics, check firmware updates, or contact support. This single troubleshooting tip saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.